back with another one, man. We're headed to CJ Hall Car Show in Greensboro, Georgia. I ain't got no old school ready to take down now, so I'm gonna just get y'all the footage. Before we get into this video, man, I gotta say this: God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the video. All right, guys. Quick pit stop. We just stopped. We just got gas. Got some slushes. Different stuff, man. We got about let me see. We got about 55 minutes to get there. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get down there, man. I'm gonna be flying the drone. I'm gonna get the best footage I can possibly get y'all.
At the roundabout, take the 3rd exit onto Eaton Highway.
You're talking during my video. But y'all, anyway, man, y'all just stay tuned. We finna get down there, man. We're gonna see what they got down there. They probably got some good rides down there. So y'all stay tuned, man. Alright, man, we in here. Gonna get ready to check out some rides, man. Y'all stay tuned.